Hello, my name is Jenny Alexandra Pineda. I am 23 years old. I study administration of enterprise. I have two children. I am studying in SEA Pacatativa. I am in the second semester. Last vacation I went to Piscilago Melgar. I stayed in Hato Samba. Last and with which my children I like because I was cheap. I was paying 900,000. I like it because they were a lot of place to visit. I went to the zoo and also we met the ecological city park reptilia. I liked it. I did not like the pinch of flies. I like so much the transportation means. I came around Piscilago. I like the fun because I found different kinds of dishes. I like the slides. The park had some slide in each pool of the old pools around the place because I did not pay much. The travel the 15th of December ago, big I started working on Tuesday. Recommendation in Piscilago. In recommend not to enter the park under influence of alcohol. Is important to respect the road restricted areas and security barriers. In ever than you always walk and do not run in all areas of the park. You can live and suffer lessons. It necessary not to make dice or the health maneuvers in the polls. Is life of exterior is important. Dining do not feel or have direct contact with the animals in the park. In ever that very travel is accompanied what a responsible adult. It is a recommend not to neglect personal observations. What should we do in Piscilago? Visit all attractions. Walk with know the zoo. Interact with reptiles. Walk through the park reptilia. See how they feed crocodiles and alligators. Note the snail boas. What should not be done in Piscilago? Do not feed the animals. Do not drink in the pools. Do not throw garbage in the park.